Have you ever tried a kiwi scented beard oil? I hadn't, definitely not, never came across it whatsoever until the Lion Mane sent me over a Kiwi and Grapefruit beard oil. They also sent me a beard balm, which is a really good product actually. But we're going to talk about the beard oil today. So just from memory, I think the base ingredients formula of the Lion's Mane beard oil is made up of sweet almond oil, argan oil and jojoba oil. Gives a really good consistency. It absorbs fairly well. It lingers on the beard for a little bit, absorbs into the skin and the beard hair nicely. I'm not too keen on the packaging. It spoils easily if there's a leak from the bottle, and one of the bottles that they've sent me has leaked. It's just a bit frustrating. It's not a massive issue, it's just one of those frustrations with the product. So I came to a score of 38 out of 50 over 5 different categories. I just think that the product was fairly good actually. I was impressed with it. The price point is affordable, the consistency of the oil is great, the scent is good, the packaging lets itself down a little bit on the beard oil and it left my beard feeling pretty good. So I have no issues whatsoever recommending the Kiwi and Grapefruit beard oil to you guys to check out if you want to. Anyway, I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.